laundry stuff for $1. Basically, I was there, you know, just buying all sorts of stuff. And then I found lotion. And then I got a light bulb. And I was like, what if I tried a bunch of different lotions from the dollar store and see if like they're really terrible and they're just like horrible and like you should not waste your time in them at all. So I thought maybe I should try and like use these for like slime and like see if they're like good or not, or if they're like, you know, worth it, or they're horrible, or maybe they're like really, really good. Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. And today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your nose. And we've already done this challenge, so if you've already done it, make sure you comment down below hashtag I did it 2 times or 3 times or how many times you've done it. Or if you're new here, just make sure you comment down below hashtag I did it. And yeah, that is it, guys. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is make a big batch of some white slime because so it's just easier basically, so I don't have to make a new slime for everything. So I decided to use my mixer, my Ultra Power Plus. It is so cute, guys. Isn't that so cute? Anyways, let's start getting it. I'm gonna make, I don't even know how much, probably like half a gallon. I make so much slime, guys. I think that should be good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the barks in, so let's just like put a lot, I guess. So we're gonna overactivate it and let's just toss it in here. All right, and stir, and stir, and stir, and stir, and stir. What am I doing? Ah! So I'm just gonna get back to you when this is all done. Oh man, that's really boraxed. Okay, this should be good. Okay, so to make this all equal, guys, I'm gonna basically take 1 cup of slime, of the wonderful slime I made, and I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of whatever lotion I'm using. If it's soft enough, I will put any more, but if it still needs some lotion, I'm gonna put another tablespoon, and that's basically how we're gonna tell which one is the best, so let's do this. Okay, so the first one we're gonna use is Dermacell Lab. That's the brand, and it's pharmaceutical research, controls even severe dry skins, and let's try it. Okay, so here's how it looks, guys. Okay, so let's put a tablespoon. Ooh, it actually seems pretty thick. What the heck? Okay, so let's just put that in there. Okay, so let's just start swishing that into there. Okay, so this is still not soft enough, like, at all. Like, it did not work at all. Like, I think it's a tiny bit, but like, it's still ripping a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another tablespoon of the lotion and let's see what happens. It does feel really nice on my skin, though. Okay, so still this isn't very stretchy. Like, let me just show you the original really quick. So here's the original. As you can tell, it doesn't stretch very much, and it looks like that. This one, you can poke it a little bit. This one, you can't poke it like at all. Like, here, let me get it there. I guess you can poke it a little bit, but not a lot. And then this one, you can kind of poke it more. And then it's this stretchy. It did get a little bit like stretchier, but still not there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add maybe another 2 tablespoons because like I feel like it's probably gonna need 2 tablespoons. So let's do this. You know, actually I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon. I don't want to mess this up or anything. Well, it is a little bit stretchier. Okay, I'm gonna add another tablespoon or maybe the whole bottle. I don't know. Okay, guys, so we have 4 tablespoons now. Guys, I made like a remake of cereal milk. This is kind of funny. I put 4 tablespoons of lotion into this, and I feel like I'm just gonna add 1 more, but it's getting pretty soft now. I don't know, I can't really rate it yet because I haven't tried the other ones. I don't know how the other dollar store ones are, so far it's kind of like not a very good lotion because usually my longest, the most tablespoons I put is 3 tablespoons, so yeah, and I'm going to the 5th one. Okay, this is my last tablespoon, guys, because I feel like that's how much we're gonna need. Ooh, it's getting soft now. It's getting a lot softer, I think. Here's the final product. It's still kind of like not very stretchy, but it's better, guys. I feel like this lotion is more like for a texture than actually like just softening slime because it gave it a pretty cool texture. It's really interesting. Enjoying the texture of this slime, but for lotion, I'm just gonna go ahead and rate it for lotion a 5 out of 10 because it took 5 tablespoons, so yeah. I'm just kidding, but I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 because it did take 5 tablespoons, so I guess yes still, but not very good compared to the ones from like Walmart, but for like a dollar store lotion, I can't really rate it yet because I haven't tried the other one, so yeah. Okay, so before we get on to the next lotion, we're gonna go ahead and give this slime a makeover. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add some sparkles. Yes, this I'm adding iridescent, guys, and it looks so pretty. It looks like bubblegum. Princess bubblegum, that's what it is. ahead and save this for later, if you know what I mean. If you guys do know what I mean, make sure you comment down below. So yeah, let's get on. So next one, guys, is a body cream. I have no idea what the brand is. I don't even know if there's a brand, but it just says body cream, so we're gonna go with that. Maybe creme pour le corps. I don't know what language that is, but whatever. Okay, so here it is. Here's how it looks. We got our cup and we got our slime. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so let's start. Here it is. Oh, this one seems like it's actually thicker. Ooh, it smells like pina colada. Okay, let's just start crunching that up into there. Okay, so this one doesn't seem like it's doing a very good job. It's kind of like the other one, so maybe these are all the same lotions with different scents and in different bottles. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put another tablespoon into. You know, I'm gonna put 2. I'm gonna go risky. It's probably not gonna do anything. We're gonna put 2. So there's 3 tablespoons in this so far. And guys, this lotion feels so nice, guys. It's like super thick, but like soft at the same time. Okay, so this is 3 tablespoons so far. It is still not very stretchy. It is kind of a little bit more stretchy than it was before. It still is pretty hard. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add another tablespoon of lotion, and that will be 4 tablespoons. So hopefully this doesn't go to 5 tablespoons just like the other one, and hopefully it doesn't even go to more, like 6 tablespoons. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so here is this one compared to this one so far. So this one is the one that we did with the Dermacell. This one has 5 tablespoons in it, and this one has 4 tablespoons. It kind of seems like it's the same texture. Whoa, that stretched a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna give this one a 6 out of 10 because it still took quite a few, but I feel like it actually is a little bit better than the Dermacell one. So anyways, so far this one is actually better than the Dermacell. So yeah, let's give this one a makeover, and then we can get on to the next one. We're gonna make this one blue. Okay, let's put some sparkles on it. I'm gonna put some iridescent and then also some gold, I think. Whoa, that was a lot. Whoopsie. Yeah, look at that, guys. Whoa, guys, the gold in here looks so pretty. Okay, so here's this one's makeover, and let's get on to the next one. The next one, guys, is it doesn't have a brand, guys. I tell you, these are all the same lotions. One company just putting them into different bottles. But anyways, this one says it's daily renewing skin cleanser, but it's a daily renewing slime cleanser. That's my question. And this is how it looks. And I feel like this one isn't gonna work. So yeah, that's just my prediction. All right, so we're gonna put a tablespoon. Ooh, this one's thinner. This one's a lot thinner. Okay, do you guys see how watery this one is? Oh no. I feel like this one actually might harden the slime more. Okay, well, I can tell you one thing, guys. It is not working at all. Is it? I don't think this is lotion, guys. I think this is a facial soap. Okay, this is not helping at all. Like before, I could like tell like they didn't help very much, but I could tell that they like were helping a teensy bit. But this one seems like it's just getting it harder. Okay, so this one, it kind of seems, I don't think so, because it seems like thin still. Like when you put the lotion in, when I usually put the lotion in, it gets it a little bit thicker consistency, but this one kind of seems like it's thinner, and I'm not liking it, and it's also really hard to get in there. So yeah, all right, we're gonna get into the next one now. So this next one, guys, is Spas Naturals. There is a brand, guys. It's Spas Naturals. Thank God. Okay, so this one is coconut oil moisturizing cream, and this one. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so here's how it looks. Okay, so this one seems watery too. It's also like really jiggly. It's like thick jiggly. It's one of those thick jiggly ones. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. As you can tell, it is like it's pretty jiggly, guys. Okay, so this is still not really stretchy. Comparing it to these ones, guys, this one is actually pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another 2 tablespoons in here because it still needs a lot. So this is gonna be 5 tablespoons, I believe. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like this since it's 5 tablespoons already. But anyways, so I'm gonna give this one a 4. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a 3 out of 10 because it is still needing more lotion, guys. And I did use like half the bottle of this, first of all. And then second of all, from putting so much lotion in this, and since the lotion is thin, also it kind of made the slime like thin and jiggly. So that's kind of like a negative side to it. So yeah. And I put 5 tablespoons to it, so we need to give it a makeover. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we're gonna make this one green. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the glitter. I'm gonna add some white. Oh my god, this looks so pretty because it's a pastel green. And then I put some iridescent glitter. I'm gonna put some holographic too. Okay guys, time to get it out to the next next one. Okay guys, so the last one is Body Raves. It has another brand, thank God. Okay, so this one actually seems like it will be better, but also this one is a foot lotion, so that's interesting. Anyway, so let's start. It's not as thick as the first two. This one's a bit on the thinner side. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. Okay, so this is not going good so far. This is very bad. I don't like it. It's not good at all. Okay, we're gonna put some more. We're gonna put 2 more tablespoons, so that's gonna be 4 tablespoons, right? Okay, so it is almost there, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add another tablespoon, so let's see, that's gonna be 5 tablespoons, okay? Okay, so here is the 5 tablespoons in here. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I think it's pretty good right now, but I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 10. So this one didn't really change the texture of the glue at all. Kind of like, you know, like the coconut one, it kind of made it thinner. This one didn't make it thinner. It didn't make it thicker though. But it also took quite a few tablespoons, so I don't really like it. And also it's a pretty small bottle too, so that kind of sucks. And yeah. Alright guys, let's do a makeover on this slime and then we can do a little surprise. Okay, we're gonna make this one purple. Alright, okay guys, so now, can you guess what time it is? Alright, you guys, you have to say it with me too. 3, 2, 1, slime spinning time! Okay, so here are the slimes, guys. Another. Okay guys, so let's start. I feel like this one's gonna be super pretty. Yes, oh my god. Oh, that one just fell, it didn't even connect. Okay. It looks like a unicorn rainbow. Oh my god, guys, this could be used as a freaking phone screensaver. You guys should definitely use this as a screensaver. I think I will. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh, no, it's not. So make sure, guys, to comment down below if you want to do another of these videos, because I think there are still some more lotions, so yeah. And also, if you want to compare it to like Walmart lotions or like more expensive lotions, I don't know. And also comment down below if you want to do any more like dollar store videos and whatever the heck you want. And that is it, guys. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye!